So this washing machine is the same type as in the apartment. So when you turn on, push on the right button and then push here, and then you have to you have to choose the clothes, and then you can just, when you push it moving, you can just choose this one. This means normal clothes. So this, it shows just wash. This means from wash to dry, and this one is there for the just dry. So when you want just wash, you can just choose here, and then open here, and this side is for liquid and this side for the powder for the soap. So open the soap, and then you can pour whatever you want like this, and then pour in here, then close. So and then push this circle, then washing machine will start. And then this will show the time, how long it will takes.